Meet the Crossbody Possum Bag, complete with baby possum bags. I'm Emily from Kitty with a Cupcake, and this is my first bag design. I wanted to create a possum-shaped crossbody bag with maximum whimsy while still being functional as an everyday carry bag. The bag is 16 inches wide and 7.5 inches tall. The gray body of the possum is made from durable corduroy, and the details like the feet, nose, and ears are made from leather-like polyurethane. The back of the bag features a secret phone pocket. The interior of the bag is lined with lavender polyester fabric and has 2 interior pockets. Each baby possum is also its own bag, perfect for storing your little trinkets. The bag strap features a lightweight pink plastic clasp, and the strap circumference is adjustable from 44 to 66 inches. Now that we got the number specifications out of the way, let's look at the practical specifications. This bag fits a whole Nintendo Switch 2 and a Pro Controller inside of it zipped at once. It even fits the Steam Deck, which is a larger console. You can fit up to a 24-ounce water bottle inside of the bag zipped, but know that that's going to take up a lot of your bag space, and it would be better suited to a 16-ounce or smaller water bottle. If you're a stationary person, it fits in size A5 notebook, plus tons of accessories like pens, scissors, glue sticks, and stamps. The baby bags are also perfect for keeping small things like whiteout rollers and washi tape. It's generally a great hobby bag. You can keep your knitting and crochet projects in the main body while keeping your notions like stitch markers and tape measures in the baby possums. The baby possums are also specifically designed to be the perfect size to fit your AirPods case, so you have an easy place to put them when you're out and about. The baby possums attach to the large bag with D-rings that make a great spot to display your other bag charm friends. Add some trashy cuteness to your wardrobe with the Possum Crossbody Bag. Thank you for helping me bring my silly little bag idea to life. Check out the full bag details and all the different rewards and add-ons on the Kickstarter page.